Dou f by dou y.
k xz square plus lambda 2y.
Hmm. Dou f by dou z.
K 2x yz plus lambda 2yz. 2
Then you. Hmm.
2x.
Then how you will do find out first equation multiply by xr, second equation multiply by y, like this you can do. Third equation multiply by z, you can add 3. What you are getting, tell me. K is constant, don't worry about k. First you can find lambda, go back and substitute it. Then what you got, tell me. 3k xyz square plus lambda 2 lambda into x square plus y square plus z square. Correct? Am I correct?
No, sir. I think it will be 4k xyz square plus
Acha, acha.
lambda square.
2z, correct. 4k xyz square plus 2 yes sir, because z square you know, correct sir, very good. 2 lambda into x square plus y square plus z square, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then from x square plus y square plus z square, what you will do?
It will
X
be
a is equal to a square.
A square. Then from this, what you will get actually, lambda is equal to minus 2kyz square by a square, I think so. Correct? Do I am not doing anything. You try to do and tell me what is x value, what is z value, y value. Come on, try.
Sir, we have to find out the maximum temperature, right?
Yes.
So my answer is coming out to be K A cube by 8.
No. What is x value? Tell me.
X value. Okay. X value is A by 2.
yes,
Y value.
a by 2.
Z value.
A by root 2.
A by 2.
Then what is my value? X, Y, Z square, if you substitute, what you will get? A cube equal. So A, Z also A, my function is in terms of Z square. So my fun value is what? Tell me.
Sir, root 2 K cube by 8.
Why K U cube?
Wait a little.
Waiting, I'm waiting. Come on. The answer wrong number 16 only. Function carefully, you can see k, x, y, z square, not z.
So it will be k a to the power 4 and divided by 8.
Eight. X also a by 2, y also a by 2. 16 then over.
So z is equals to a by root 2. So z
A
square.
by root 2, then okay, then correct. Right, sir?
Yes, sir. K to the power 4 by 8.
Very good. Show. Agni Prabha Chakravarti, show your notes on your video. Show your notes.
Yes, sir. Wait.
What is your
Wait,
number?
Okay.
Close.
Can you see?
Yeah. Close. Wait, I will ping you.
Okay.
Open here. Open your video. Yes, I can able to see you. Done. What is your number? 1. And the 54016 1. Very good,
Yes,
sir.
sir. One.
Very good, boy. Next. Anyone? Anyone completed? Try. 571. What is the first number? 271 or 571, sir?
Sir, x is equal to a by 2 got, sir.
No. What is the first number? 271 or 571? 71. Just 71. So many classes, so many. 71. Where is 71?
Sir.
Where is 71?
Yes, sir.
At least up to where you show me where you are completed. At least do F by do X, do F by do Y, show me. Come on, open your video.
Sir, done, sir.
Very good. But somewhere close to camera. Wait, I will ping you. Yes. Come on, bring down, move down. Down here.
Sir.
Only answer only I am able to see. Very good. Okay, done. Goodbye. Yes, sir.
Sir, you are muted. Excuse me, sir, you are muted.
Sir, we can't hear you.
Yes. My mistake. Correct. Now come on. Now am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we can start play. 72.
Yes, sir.
You are there, sir. Very good, sir. Show your notes. At least your written question also you can show. I am very happy in this universe.
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir.
Yes. I am happiest person in this universe. Show. Open your video. Very good, boy. Enough, sir. Super, sir. 73. Close.
Sir, 1 second, sir. I am doing
Sure.
it. Sir. Yes, sir. Wait, sir.
Up to where you are done? Developalli. 2.9.
Sir, alone, sir.
Enough, sir. Something if you write means I am very happy. 74. 74 first time, 74 second time, 74 third time. Pranay Bhargav, your number is 74, huh?
Yes, sir. 2 mobiles.
Acha. Oh, very good.
One from mobile, one from laptop.
Very good, very good. Goodbye. 75. 75. Attendance. 76. 76. 77. 78. 79 now only left. 79 says, tell your number and open video.
78, sir. 78.
Okay. 79. Give attendance. 79 now only left actually. What can I do? Tell me. 80. 81.
Sir, I got x equal to a by 2, sir.
Oh, very good. 82. What is your number?
Sir, my number 73, sir.
No, I'm calling 81. Give the attendance, all of you. 81. Not there. 82. 83.
Sir.
Okay. 84. Okay, sir. 84. 85.
Present, sir.
86. 87. 88. 89. 90.
89, sir.
89.
Are you sure?
No. 90.
Yes, sir. Nice, sir.
Okay. 91. Give attendance. I will ask take later. 91.
Sir, you are taking attendance, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am also present.
Then what are you doing up to now?
Sir, it was raining, sir.
Raining means speaking. For speaking, what is there? You can open your
No,
mouth.
sir, it is getting disconnected, sir.
Okay. Where are you?
Trivandrum, Kerala.
Acha, Mansla. Where I am standing? 89 present. 90.
90 present, sir.
91.
Sir, 89 present.
Okay. 20 raised hand. What happened?
Sir, answer is a by 2. X is a by 2.
No, wrong. K a to the power of 4 by 8 answer.
Sorry, sir.
Where I am standing? Forgotten.
92, sir. 92.
93.
Present, sir.
94.
Present, sir.
95. 96.
Present, sir.
97.
Sir, 95 present, sir.
95
present.
96. 97.
Hello, sir. 95 present.
Okay. 97. Hariharatha Agaraja 97. Okay. 98.
Present, sir.
Hey, wait, sir. I will wait.
Sorry, sir.
99. 100.
Present, sir.
Hey, what happened? You are not written exam, cycle test only. You are not attending classes properly. What is the problem? Tell me.
Sir, my
Hello.
sister married, sir, recently.
What, sir? For attending classes, what is the problem?
Yes,
Online classes. You are not writing exam. After that, you can call me.
Okay, sir.
101. Not now.
Present, sir.
102. 103.
103 present, sir.
Very good. 104.
Present, sir.
105. 105 is there. Yes. 105. 106.
Present, sir.
107.
Present, sir.
108.
Present, sir.
109.
Present, sir.
110.
Present, sir.
111.
Present, sir.
112.
Present, sir.
113. 114. 115.
Present, sir.
116.
Sir, 114 present. Sir. 114 present, sir. Network is.
Network issue, okay, but some sounds are different sounds are coming. That is also network issue. What is your number?
Yes, sir. 114, sir.
Okay, sir. 115. 116. 116. After that, 117 is there. 117 is there, not there. I think so. 123.
Yes, sir. 123 present, sir.
124.
Present, sir.
124.
123 present. 124 present. 125.
Present, sir.
126.
Present, sir.
Any number is there after that? 127 is there.
No, sir.
126 is last number. Okay. Then 5401 series. 1.
Present, sir.
2.
Present, sir.
3. 4.
Present, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
6.
Present, sir.
6.
Present, sir.
7.
6.
7.
7 left, sir.
7 left the college. 8.
Present, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
10.
Present, sir. Sir, do you want to see the question?
Wait. 11. 11. 12.
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
15.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17.
Advance Happy Diwali, sir.
Thank you. Wait, sir. Don't disturb me. I'm confusing. Up to where I'm standing?
16 minutes, sir.
17. 18.
Present, sir.
19.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21. 22.
Present, sir.
23. 24.
Sir, Anish is present. He just got disconnected.
Yes, sir. I'm here. Sorry.
What is your number?
24, sir. I just get randomly
Okay.
disconnected, sir.
24.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Leo friend. Leo father.
Yes, sir.
25. 26.
Present, sir.
27. 28.
Present, sir.
29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
31.
Present, sir.
Any new number after that? 32 is there, Okay. Absents are 75, 76, 81, 84, 86, 87, 99, 88.
Sir, 91 present, sir.
Sir, 88 present, sir.
Wait. 88 present.
Sir, 91
90.
present. 1.
Okay, 90. 81, 99, 102, 105, 113, 115, 116, 540 series 1, 3, 7, 11, 17, 21, 23, 25, 27. Now
Sir,
tell
3
me.
is present. Sir, 3 is present.
540 is this, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then anyone?
Sir, 5401, who all are absent?
7, 11, 17, 21, 23, 25, 27.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
84 present, sir.
84, Now only joined,
No, sir, I joined, sir, in between 11.
Completed a problem?
No, sir.
Written at least question or written copied?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Show.
Temporary.
On your video. Somewhere you gone. Siva. Yes. Okay, sir, you can leave. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you, sir. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Happy Diwali, sir. Happy Diwali,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Happy Diwali,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Happy
Wishing the
Diwali.
same. May God
Happy
bless
Diwali.
you. Okay.
Happy Diwali, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. 8:31 join now. So 107%. Thank you. Wishing the same. May God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you. 5 permanent. Preeta Sharma. 80%. 005. 005.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you. Why, what?
Bro, we have class next.
What?
No, sir. Asking mothers. We have class next or not?
I think after 3 o'clock classes from today. Today my own. From 3 no
Okay.
classes.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
You
sir.
can confirm with your teacher.
Yes, sir.
Send them message or something. You can ask them actually. Because I cannot tell you, because ask your teacher and confirm. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
But we have received the message from 3 classes, no classes. Anyway, better you can ask your teacher. That is good.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you please upload the